Hello there, I'm Timo and I'm presenting ThermoGem Infrared Heat PEMF Photon Belt Vest Jacket. The surface is durable mesh fabric to fix red light, LEDs and crystal abundant on all the surface from edge to edge. High-end human-made artificial tan eco leather and Sooth for borders. Hot crystal naturally emit negative ions and far infrared deep penetration heat in the most body absorbable wavelength range from 4 to 16 ohms. It creates a flow of healing and pleasant deep penetrating body warmth. Thermal procedures are excellent to enhance serotonin, enzymes, and heat shock protein biosynthesis. Red light is beneficial for skin look, rejuvenation. PEMF Magnetism is the battery recharger for those powers which help us in everyday routine. Enjoy the comfort benefits of deep penetrating far infrared crystal ray heat. Enjoy warm stones with better results than a regular hot to touch heating pads. Combine powers of main healing gemstones. Amethyst emits infrared rays in the most valuable wavelength range, as I mentioned before, between 4 and 16 amps up to 8 inches deep. Tourmaline's Pyroelectricity generates healthy anions, restores natural electrical fields, neutralizes free radicals. It's it for today. Thank you very much and have a pleasant evening. Bye.